Hey, what's up? Guess what? We FPV pilots are actually um, addicted to this hobby, right? But since I've been so busy at work, there we have an issue with some of our servers in Amazon. So it's just now that I was able to bring this in. It's almost like 7 p.m. Yeah, so I was able to control myself. So, yeah. Oh, this is actually a replacement for my Pine 64 soldering iron. I actually love that soldering iron, but it died real quick. Took only 7 months. Or 5 months, rather. It was real quick. There you go. Yeah, I'm really upset about how quickly it died. They said it supports 6S, so I've been using 6S LiPo battery. But then when I read the specs, it says up to -24V. Okay, so maybe that was the reason why it actually slowly died, right? 24V versus 25.2. I always use 25.2, and maybe it burnt something eventually. Now, this one I got it from Race Day Quads, and it's an imitation of TS100. What's this? Nothing. Just a paper. Just paper. Ooh, I like the color. It is Sequire. Oh no, it's not Sequire, it's Secure. Yeah, it's an imitation of TS100 according to some sites. Smart electric soldering iron. Alrighty. Pretty cool. The electronic soldering iron divided into two parts: control end and the soldering iron tip. Okay, cool. Alright, guys, I think it looks like my... Let's see if something is... Oh, they gave me... This is small. It's not the 250 millimeter strap. It's okay. Alrighty, guys, so I've got it here. Secure. And again, it's an imitation of the TS100. So we're gonna open it. Yeah, let's see. It's hard when you don't have a tripod, right? I can hurt myself here. Right. I don't care about the plastic. Okay. Alright, that's good. Nice. And then... Wait, it's on my legs. Trying to... Okay, you can hear it, guys. Alright, it's almost... Yeah, there you go. Oh, something fell. What the hell did... What's that? What is this? What is this thing that fell? This fell. What is this, guys? Huh? Nothing. Oh, there you go. It's a poor high quality packaging. Poor quality. Poor high quality. That's weird. Alrighty, so let's see. Oh, it's even thinner than the pine seal. It's nice. Okay, let me look at it closely. It's yeah, it's nice. So I'm gonna pull out the tip. Okay, let's see that. Here's the tip. Okay, now let me grab the pine silk tips and see if they are actually almost the same. I've got some here. Let's see. Where are you guys? Show up, show up. Where are you? Maybe it's on another cabinet. Yeah, where is it? Where the hell is it? It's so weird. I'm pretty sure it was right here. What the? Okay guys, I finally found the tips for my Pencil 64. So they're equal in sizes, in length. So I guess my old tips are actually going to work. Yeah, I think they're gonna work. Yeah, see? They're the same. Yeah. But will it fit? Let's see if it's gonna fit. This one, the shorter ones are from the pine seal. Let's see. Yeah, I'm inserting it now. Let's see. Really? It doesn't come with screw? That's crap. That's so weird. What the? There's nothing in here. What the? Oh my god, that's weird. Jeez, how will I? Oh no, it's here. Sorry. And then this. Oh, here's the screw. There you go. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, I'm not worried anymore. So yeah, guys, I'll be able to use the Pine 64 Pine Seal soldering tips, which is really cool. Now I have 4. Nice. Okay, and then I'll be very careful this time. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna use either like my 4S battery instead of the 6S. Yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah, 24. Although I can also use my power adapter for my laptop. It's rated 19 volts, so that's actually within the range. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna test it soon. All right, later.